Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you how to calibrate the Twin Busch wheel balancer F-150. Start the calibration by clamping a wheel with a steel rim on the machine. The wheel should have a standard diameter and must consist of tire and rim. The wheel does not have to be balanced. Measure the rim distance. And enter it into the machine with the A+ and the A- buttons. Then measure the rim width with the width gauge. Enter the rim width in the machine with the B+ and B- buttons. The only thing missing then is the rim diameter. Read this from the tire, in our case, 16 inches. The rim diameter is entered with the D+ and D- buttons. The calibration is now selected by simultaneously pressing F and C. The machine first measures the general imbalance. Now hammer on the test weight at any desired position on the outer side. Close the protective cover again. The machine now measures the difference at the first pass. The calibration is thus concluded.